Over the last couple of months, these Faceless quiz channels are going extremely viral. This Faceless quiz channel started only 3 months ago, and already has multiple videos with hundreds of thousands of views. In fact, in the last 30 days, they gathered well over 1 million views and already made thousands of dollars. But the craziest part, you can make these entire 18-minute videos in a matter of minutes with the power of AI.
So that video got me really excited, along with some training that I want to show you about using Canva. And I want to talk a little bit about how AI can actually be a money pit, and it can also consume a lot of your time when you see some of these AI tools out here that promise that they can do these things. But if you take the power of Canva and AI and focus on the task at hand, you could actually use these quiz channels to build a profitable online business. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. So over at Flicky, they have this how to make a quiz video with AI step-by-step guide. Now, Flicky is one of these AI video generators, and they have a video here that they show you. I'm going to play a few seconds here of this video for you.
Welcome back, friends. Today, we are going to see how good is your general knowledge. Take this 100-question fun quiz to find out. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Because that's the video they're showing you. And this is actually from a quiz channel called Guesser that has 560 videos. But if you go back and you look at this blog post, how to make a video quiz, a quiz video with AI step-by-step, they show you that video in that channel. And then they walk you through how to use ChatGPT, which is great information. And then once they show you how to use ChatGPT, they walk through actually using their tool called Flicky, where they have these templates to make these AI videos, these quiz videos. But none of these templates are the template that you saw in the video. And this is where the power of Canva comes in. Now, this is a great tool. It's pretty slick. It's actually really good, but it's not great. And if you're going to compete, or if you want to get in the quiz video business, if you use Canva, you can make exactly the videos that they have here, and you can use AI to create the quizzes, and you can even use AI to create the voices. The video we watched in the very beginning, I left a link in the description, and it breaks this down beautifully, but it's quite advanced, so you might want to start with something simpler. But I really want to focus in on this idea of using AI and AI tools and the price that it comes at. So this is the Flicky plan. It's a free plan, and I'm going to show you the video that I created with the free plan. But to get started, it's going to be $28 for 180 minutes for a maximum length of a 15-minute video to get access to commercial rights, which means that you can then paste these or post these on YouTube once you create them. But you also get access to the templates, which are the different quizzes that we looked at in the original how-to blog post here. These templates right here, you don't get those templates until you pay $28 to actually upgrade to the standard plan. But in reality, you would need 600 minutes or more, which is going to be $88 a month to get started, to really ramp up the kind of creation that you would need to do, because there's a problem with AI and the fact that you have to use credits. All these tools are built on a credit system, and how do the credits actually work? But before we get into how do the credits work, I want to show you the video, or let you see a little bit of the video that I created with Flicky, so you can understand what it is you might get. And here's the video, and we'll go ahead and play a little bit of this and preview it.
Extraterrestrial involvement. From the Great Pyramids to the Nazca lines, some argue these wonders are
There's a little bit of the video with the voice, and the voice kicks in because inside of this Flicky preview, they have a note down here that it's a quick preview with low resolution, and you might get some of the audio will be silent, or there'll be broken frames. So you have to play it over and over again, which goes back into the time element, because whatever it is on the back end of their server is rendering this to give you a display. And at that point, you really have a download. And then if you click download, then you find out that you actually have to upgrade to the standard or the premium or go enterprise to actually download it, to use it, because you need to have the commercial license to use it. And again, you spent your time, or you spend your time, you invest your time in these tools, versus if you were to just use something like Canva, or specifically Canva Pro, which is an amazing tool. The next one up is Revid AI. It has a quiz video generator, and it's a little more straightforward and to the point, and it lets you test it out. They're showing an example here, which is a short, but they also have the ability, once you put in your quiz title and your questions, and you can add additional questions here, and you can customize the options. They also have audio and generate music. And then you can click generate the video and it walks you through the process. And I want to show you the video that I created with this, but I want to dive into Revid AI and focus in. And the whole point of this is, do I use an AI tool like this, or do I use Canva, or do I use a combination of both of the tools once I understand the technology and the time it's going to take me in this step to start creating these videos, or as I call it in my proven top strategy, to get to step number 3, to start creating consistent content. And I cover that all inside of my affiliating and my proven top strategy. But the idea here is you have to choose a plan. And when you choose a plan, the hobby plan here is $39 a month, and they currently have a growth plan, which is $39 a month, but normally $99 a month. But you have to understand that you have 2,000 AI credits per month. So really, how many videos are you going to be able to create utilizing that credit plan, and what type or how good are the videos? So here is a video that I made, and I'm not going to play this one. I'm just going to show you frame by frame, because what I want to show you here is the first frame when it starts the quiz, is it actually created the quiz, and then there's the answer. But you can see here that aliens helped ancient humans is one of the answers, and this is some elements, or these are some elements that you can drag and drop. So you can edit these elements, and you have to go through here, and I think I can make this fit, and I can edit this. So this is pretty powerful as far as the ability to edit it. And this is the closest thing to what you would get with Canva and let the AI do it for you. But there's a problem. A problem that always happens with AI is when it creates images or videos. Again, I can edit these elements, so I can delete and or edit those. But look at the actual image behind here that it created. This is all messed up. Like, you can't use this image. So you would have to utilize more credits to regenerate. And you can see right here, regenerate 1 credit. So you're going to spend additional credits and additional time to get this image to be something useful that then you can use in your quiz. So you get a little more power here with this, but you have to understand the technology and understand the tool. You have to understand how the credits work in Revid, a simple guide. Then you go through here and you read about the credit system. The TLDR, too long didn't read. Here's a table overview of how they're used. 10 credits for 500 characters for the voice generation. If best model, 4 credits per image, else 1 credit per image. That's that image generator that we need to use, where you saw we had to use or spend 1 more credit, and we only have 2,000 credits per month to generate a new image. And then we have 15 credits per video, and then we have 20 credits per 500 characters. So all these add up, and you can see they break it down: voice generation, image generation, video generation, avatar lip sync if you use an avatar. And then you're talking about down here, a broad estimate for a 30-second video is going to be 47 credits. So you look at all this and you take it into account of what you're trying to do. And let's say that, for example, like my AI blog, I have Universe on Riddle, and that's where I generated this quiz because I want to use this content that I've already created that the AI assisted me to create, and I want to turn this into a quiz. That's what I did, but you have to understand that you can simply take this to ChatGPT and have it create a quiz out of this blog post, which is what I did right here with this prompt. Generate a 10-question quiz from the blog post below with questions that increase in difficulty as the quiz progresses. Each question should come with 4 multiple choice options, with 1 being the correct answer and the other 3 serving as a plausible distractor. And then it gave me these questions, and then I took it and I was able to shorten some of these, because this first question, even though it was easy, the question and answer was a little bit too long. So I just continued this chat with ChatGPT, and I got the questions down to a reasonable length, but you can still see that ancient aliens helped ancient humans, these 4 words, was still a bit long inside of the editor, inside of Revid AI that we looked at here. Again, we're going to be spending time to do the edit, as well as we're going to be spending money to utilize this credit-based system to regenerate these videos, which takes me to some training that shows you how to create these quiz channels and also gives you these Canva templates. And there's a link in the description. It's called Quiz Videos Mastery, and I am providing a bonus. And inside of my bonus, I'm going to break down how to use Quiz Video Mastery and the way it works and why you, if you want to get started with it, why you could use this training, as well as my bonus called Operation Codex, which shows how to break down quiz and trivia type channels or to create content around quiz and trivia to monetize edutainment curiosities. This is really going to tap into my proven top strategy of building a profitable online business. And my bonus number 2 is where I show you how to actually use Operation Codex and this training, Quiz Videos Mastery, which inside of Quiz Videos Mastery, you get these templates for Canva that are done for you. And you can see some of the templates here: 4 answer, 3 answer, unscramble, true or false, so never have I template. Down here are some more templates to include a flag template, which came first template, the who is most likely template. And it shows you how to do this. And you can see here inside of Canva, it's showing you how to do this. And all you have to do is click on these templates. It opens up in Canva, and then you have the ability to edit right here. Because in reality, you're going to have to use multiple tools, Canva plus AI, or use your own voice or outsource it to have success with these quiz video channels. So inside of Canva, you're going to be editing these anyway, and then you're going to need to find a credit-based system to generate the AI voice. But Canva also has these additional templates. And again, you could use your own voice, or you could find someone to outsource it. I always recommend starting with your own voice and then going from there and seeing if you can find success. Then you have these templates inside of Canva. You click customize this template. It opens up the template, then you're dragging and dropping, and then you can actually create the video right here inside of Canva. So it boils down to the question, AI or Canva, or AI and Canva.
This Faceless quiz channel started only 3 months ago, and Ari has multiple videos with hundreds of thousands of views. In fact, in the last 30 days, they gathered well over 1 million views, and Ari made thousands of dollars.
And start generating views and making money like we saw in that video. It's an amazing opportunity if you take and you look at the focus being, I am going to utilize quiz videos, and then I'm going to utilize what I call my proven top strategy to really think about utilizing these quiz videos as traffic. When you create the consistent content, which is these quiz videos, and then think about presenting an offer and then adding people to an email list, in this case, what I would call a newsletter around these ideas where people are interested in being entertained and also educated, or what is called the edutainment niche, and then satisfying their curiosity with very, very good quiz and or trivia videos. It's a great place to start if you're not interested in really doing how-to videos, but just more general knowledge, but actually thinking and focus and bringing your focus down to a very specific niche inside of these quiz or trivia videos. It's a great idea. There's a link in the description. It covers my bonus to show you exactly how to put all this together to really focus on thinking, I could start this as a side hustle, but actually turn it into a real business. And I could do it around something I'm either passionate about, I want to learn more about, and then I can create these videos using a combination of Canva and AI tools. But now I am aware of the fact that I need to focus and understand that it is going to take me a little time to understand the technology and the tools that are out there, but I also want to be aware of the money that I'll have to spend as far as these credit-based systems when it comes to using AI or just doing the voiceovers myself, or even outsourcing them. Thanks for watching this video. Link in the description. Check out the bonus. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.